After-hours trading is alive right now. Dollar PMI just exploded 72.9% to hit $8.87 per share. And this isn't a random pump. We're talking about Altria versus Philip Morris with a brand new manufacturing deal that has investors absolutely frenzied. But here's the thing. Dollar PMI is just the number one rocket out of 5 we found tonight that are absolutely defying gravity. If you want to catch these moves before they get away from you, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Pre-Market Rockets. It's August 25th, 2026, and we've scanned over 12,000 stocks after the closing bell. Tonight's session delivered exactly what we're looking for. High volume, high conviction moves across multiple tickers. We identified 5 legitimate rockets. All with AI scored momentum above 56. All trading on extreme relative volume. And all with catalysts or explosive technicals driving the action. This is the kind of night where patient traders who watch the after-hours tape can set up huge wins. For tomorrow's open, let's break them down. Starting with number 1. Dollar PMI. Philip Morris International. This is our explosive tier pick with a momentum score of 68 out of 100. We're seeing a plus 72.9% move on 81.9 million shares. That's 2.0x relative volume. The catalyst is clear. A new manufacturing partnership deal between Altria and Philip Morris that's reshaping the tobacco and alternative product landscape. Entry is right around where it's trading now at $8.87. Has genuine institutional interest. Number 2. Dollar NCPL. This is a true moonshot. Momentum score 67. Up 130.5% on nearly a billion shares of volume. We haven't identified a specific catalyst yet. But when a micro cap floats only 6.3 million shares and you get this kind of momentum on 2.0x RVOL, something is definitely moving behind the scenes. Entry $0.5895. Target $1.0.69. Target $2.0.698. Stop at $0.5849. This one is high risk, high reward T. High risk, high reward territory. Number 3. Dollar DAIC. Another moonshot tier play. Up 118.5% on 256 million shares with that same 2.0x relative volume pattern. Only 24.2 million float. Momentum score 64. No specific news yet. But the volume and price action are screaming conviction. Entry $3.78. Target $1.4.36. Target $2.5.67. That's real upside. Stop $3.6928. Watch this one closely. Number 4. Dollar PRZO. PRZO. This one has a strong momentum. P $3.6928. Watch this one closely. Number 4. Dollar PRZO. PRZO. This one has a strong momentum score of 64 and a real catalyst. FDA approval. They just secured their first Defend Air order from a U.S. federal agency. Up 31% on 147 million shares. This is a regulated market approval story, which means staying power. Entry $0.82. Target $1.0.9019. Target $1.23. Stop $0.8192. This one feels like it has institutional tailwinds. And number 5. T has institutional tailwinds. And number 5. CAPR. Our final mover. up 20.9%. Momentum score 56. Also FDA driven. The FDA just extended the PRZO review window by 3 months. Even though H.C. Wainwright flagged rejection risk and stayed neutral. The market is pricing in hope here. Entry $8.2207. Target $1.8.41. Target $2.12.3311. Stop $8.1626. Classic biotech volatility. What ties all 5 together? Extreme relative volume. Small FL. Here's what to watch for when tomorrow's market opens. First, confirmation. If $PMI opens above $8.87 and doesn't immediately reverse, you're looking at a genuine momentum play that could test that $9.45 target. Watch for volume. If it drops below 1.5 XRVOL at the open, the move may not hold. Second, the moonshots. NCPL and DAIC moved on mystery. Which means when real news hits, they could explode higher or collapse. Set alerts so you don't miss whichever direction wins. Third, the FDA stories. PRZO and CAPR are catalyst dependent. If regulatory news hits overnight from overseas markets or FINTWIT picks up the story, expect gap moves at the open. Your advantage is having these on your radar first. And finally, position sizing. These are after hours movers. Liquidity can be thin. Scale in. Don't go all in on one candle. Tomorrow morning, we'll have real volume, real price discovery, and real opportunities to execute with conviction. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want a done-for-you watch list every single morning? Head over to TDVW.com. We deliver pre-market rocket alerts directly to your phone before the bell. Ranked by AI momentum score. Complete with entry, target, and stop levels. Click the link in the description. Let's catch these moves together.